Hello, I'm Donnie Stone, Director of Training and Technical Publications here at Vanair Manufacturing. When we place pen to paper or look at our computer spreadsheets, do the figures of maintenance costs and equipment repairs continue to skyrocket? If so, then let's talk for a moment about real performance and real savings when it comes to Vanair's exclusive underdeck air compressor innovations. Perhaps one expense that jumps off the page is the cost associated with maintaining the separator element in your underdeck air compressor system. If this preventative maintenance and other expenses are alarming to you over the life of your vehicle, then perhaps it's time to take a closer look at Vanair. Exclusively offered by Vanair is the UltraLife 6,000 hour air oil separator coalescing element. This feature comes standard on all the Vanair models. So why is this important? Well, let's take a look at some of those numbers. First, the UltraLife coalescer element is uniquely designed so it will last for 6,000 hours of use before it ever needs to be changed. And for most fleets, that's more than the lifetime of the vehicle. Second, the UltraLife design gives you 6 times more life than the nearest competitor's spin-on coalescer element. Third, this is 15 times more life than the rest of the offerings in the marketplace. And fourth, over a 10-year period, this feature saves upwards of $2,000 per truck in routine maintenance costs for oil changes and coalescers alone. And this savings is part of a $10,000 life cycle maintenance savings per truck with other Vanair features. Now that's real performance associated with real numbers, which equals real savings. The UltraLife 6000 comes with an anti-static grounding system to safely eliminate any potential ignition source. With the UltraLife 6,000 hour design life, doesn't this make more economical and environmental sense versus throwing several separators away during a vehicle's life cycle? We think so. With the exclusive and innovative design of the UltraLife 6,000 hour air oil separator element, you will be reassured your underdeck system will have the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. Additionally, with the UltraLife design, you can extend the performance and profitability of your equipment and prevent costly downtime versus other antiquated designs, which are still offered in the marketplace. Thank you for your time. For more information or a demonstration of the UltraLife 6,000 hour air oil separator element by Vanair in the field, in action, feel free to call or visit our website.